What's going on, my fellow TubeUs? Hope you're all doing well. Today is an exciting day for me. I'm going to be vinyl wrapping the rear bumper finally in gloss piano black. Now, I don't have any experience in vinyl wrapping. I'm just DIY, do it myself. I just want to ask some questions here. If you guys are somewhat keen to the whole vinyl wrap situation, I'm thinking about doing some inlays in here. I don't think I'll be able to push in that much vinyl. Let me know in that description below what you guys have been doing or what professionals have been doing. Also, I'm thinking about doing some inlays in here. Just want it to look somewhat clean. The only way I'll find out is if I just do it on my own. Here I should be okay. I should be okay to push in the vinyl enough and have it nice and clean and put the light there. But yeah, only way to find out is just do it, right? But if you guys are wondering the tools and everything that I use, I'll leave them all in the link below. And if this is the content that you guys enjoy and like to see, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Helps me out. And I got a lot of content for everyone. I'm pretty excited. Can't wait to hit the streets once it gets warmer outside. And I want to wish you all a happy new year. Let's get this video started. Alright, so I was able to put in the inlay here, which looks good. I gotta do the upper part of the plate, which I'll do after. Not gonna lie guys, that was such a pain in the ass to get in. For some reason, I was having such a hard time getting it to squeeze in here and up and around. The vinyl kept wanting to go this way. Oh my god. So glad I got that done. And hopefully I'm ready to start wrapping this whole bumper, which is definitely not going to be fun. It just seems like the film is fighting me today. So wish me luck. We'll see how it goes. Alright, back is all finished up. It's looking pretty good. You won't see the white when I put the lights in. Also, I'm going to be getting some decals for the letters and the back. Overall, came out really nice. If you're going to tackle this on your own, I mean, good luck. Oh, this was a pain in the you-know-what. But I got it done. It looks wicked. And I can't wait for the spring to take this bad boy out. Next I have is the door, front fender, and the front bumper. Front bumper, I'm definitely gonna cry. I know that's gonna be hard. That's it for today, everyone. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe, leave a like on the video, and I hope to see you in future videos. Have a good one, everyone.